This channel focuses on digital fashion design, and of course, I think it's important to use. But I want you to hear it from others who are using it every day in their careers, in their brands, in their freelance fashion consulting agencies, so you can see how you might also be able to incorporate digital fashion design software into your fashion life. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikkel Drew Pelham. I talk about digital fashion design software and communication on this channel. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. So I started a series called CAD Chats on Instagram, and we did our first interview yesterday with Annabelle Ramos of Antipodes Design Studio, and she has some very interesting and inspiring things to say about her journey and how she uses digital fashion design.
I'm Annabelle. I'm originally from Spain, but I'm living in New Zealand. I have been already 3 years here. So my story is a little bit unconventional. So my background is in economics. I've been working in the logistics industry for like 3-4 years. I was not happy with my job. So I started doing research, how to get into the fashion industry. And then I found digital fashion design, and I was like, oh, I think this could work. So I started I was having my full-time job, and every evening I would arrive home. I was so tired, and every evening I would start playing with Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and started learning by myself. Of course, I did a lot of online courses, paid subscriptions, and done a lot of stuff to be where I am today. And I was, I never look back again. I love it. I use Adobe Illustrator for flat sketches. For tech packs, I use Excel. And then I also sometimes, when I wanna create textures, or I wanna do mood boards and edit the photos, I use Photoshop. So this year, I did this 3D design course with you. That it was amazing.
Thank you very much.
So I hope that in the future I can also introduce 3D design to my services, because it's a game changer. It's crazy. I really enjoy that course. I've always been very bad at drawing. So when I was a teenager, I think I can't be a fashion designer because I don't know how to draw. So digital fashion design for me has been the light, I can do this, I can design clothes. And also it's so accurate, right? There are all these tools that you can play, and reflect tool, and it's the same. And the brush, all the brushes, symbols, and really speeds up everything. So Adobe Illustrator, I had a lot of pain with ruffles. Maybe it's just me.
No,
but
it's not.
I saw your tutorials about this, but there are so many different ruffles and placement. So it's just every time I need to design something, with ruffles, it's just I need to do it from the start, and it's really difficult. Well, difficult. You really need to have good skills with the pen tool. Practice. I forgot about the beginning. The beginning was really hard. It took me time. So it's just practice.
It was a really fun interview, and I'm so glad I got a chance to speak with Annabelle. I think her story of how and why she started her freelance fashion design company is truly inspiring. I love that she researched and found out what she needed to do, what tools she needed, what she needed to learn and continues to learn, and she just went for it. And as much as this video is about why you should be using digital fashion design software, I hope that you also take away inspiration from Annabelle to just go for yours. We're about to start another year, and how many of us this time last year were talking about doing something else that we were passionate about? Just go for it. That right time you're waiting for is right now, friend. Thanks for watching today's video. If you also want to follow your passion and start a fashion consulting company or start using digital fashion design, click the link in the description to sign up for one of my classes, and or make sure you check out more of the videos on this channel first to get yourself started. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you find it helpful. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you next time.